Get the car open. Locks are frozen. I've been trying this de-icer. It's not working. It's 29 degrees out, but tomorrow's supposed to be even colder. It was 34 today. It snowed today here in Chicago. This is frozen solid as well. So I can't get in the car to move it. Unfortunately, in the township I live in, you have to move the cars every day to a different side of the street, which is stupid as hell, but that's the rules. So I'm most likely gonna have to get a ticket tonight, and hopefully I can try again tomorrow. I've been trying this for like the last 30, 40 minutes. I don't want to break the key in the lock. This is my only key. I've sprayed the key with the de-icer. I don't know how you would get the de-icer inside the lock. But I keep spraying the key. It's always something with this damn car. But to be fair, I had this on my Cadillac Eldorado and my Lincoln unless they would freeze as well. So I hate when the temperature drops so quickly, it's so drastic, and it snows and then freezes overnight, but that's the weather here in Chicago. I'm about to give up. Guess I'll try again tomorrow. And to think, I was going to drive the car today just to see how it behaved when it's cold outside. I wasn't going to go far, maybe around the corner to get some snacks or something. It's icy out. Not really, the roads are a little wet though, but not icy, but at least not around here. And being that this is rear-wheel drive with no working and advanced track or sure track brake system, I'll be asking for it. But the store is up the street, so it wouldn't have been far. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions on how to get the door open, it would be greatly appreciated. I have to get that heater core fixed because, yeah, last week it was 50, 60 degrees. Today is 23 degrees or 25 degrees or whatever it is. And tomorrow's supposed to be 27. Tuesday's supposed to be 26 here in Chicago. Winter has definitely arrived, even though it doesn't come for another 3 weeks. Thanks.